So today we're going to look at the HP MJF 5200 series of printers. So with this technology we use nylon powder to produce these components. This technology is nothing like anything else we have in the 3D GBRE portfolio, as it removes many of the limitations that we have with our manufacturing techniques. The benefits of using this technology is it removes complete need for support. It also allows us to produce generatively designed components, which means we have the right material in the right areas, and it really removes that need to design for the particular process. It means we can design the products for the applications that we're trying to develop. The way the process is going to work is we'll use a roller, which what that's going to do is spread over the nylon powder, make sure we have a thin enough layer that we can set as the fusion agents go over. It then runs a printhead over the top, and it deposits a fusing agent and a detailing agent, as well as fusing those sections of the powder that we need to fuse, so that then we can be left with the polymer products by the end of the build. All the builds are going to be completed in approximately 11 hours. This can be faster if you use a quicker profile and a little bit slower if you use a more advanced profile. But from that time, we'll take them out of the build unit, take them over to the processing station, and then we're going to vacuum back all of the excess powder, recycle that into the future builds, and then we're going to be blasting off the excess material that's left on the finished products so that we can be left with an end-use part. The first stage in us getting the HP machine ready for operation is we need to fill the build unit up with material. We're going to do this by using the processing station and the dedicated nozzle to load up the station full of material. What we're going to do with this is use 80% of the material that's already been through the cycle, so we're going to recycle that into this process, as well as bringing in 20% of new material to make sure that we're getting nice consistent results through the process. After the build's completed, we need to then let the part cool down, so we can actually do this separate to the machine, removing the build unit so that we can actually set our next print going, and we're getting full production capacity from this technology. Once the part's cooled down, we're going to load that into the processing station, and then we're going to go through an unpacking process to separate the excess powder from the finished products. The final stage to getting these products ready for application is using the shot blaster to take the excess powder off the finished products and then leave them with just the geometry that remains. So once the parts have gone through the entire process, then this is how they look once they're completed. And while we talked about some of the benefits of this system, it means we can produce products like this that are really complex in a single print, and also simple geometries like this, but even adding extra features such as moving products without the need for extra assembly.